So you clicked on this video because you want to know how to beat a Chess Grandmaster. So let me show you. It was a 2700 rated player. I'm not gonna say who, because I want privacy. So pawn to d5, pawn to g3, and knight to c6. Obviously, I think he knows that this move isn't the best, because I play d4, and now this knight is blocking this and this pawn, so black cannot really fight for the center. I play bishop g2, queen d7, castles, and as you can see, this game might be a bit aggressive. Knight to e5, d e6, and h3. I'm getting rid of this bishop because I want to play e4. But yeah, he's looking at e4, so I need to place another knight, develop it, and maybe now I will be able to play e4. But what would happen here? e4, de, bishop e4, knight e4, and we are losing a rook in the trade. So obviously that's not a great move. I play knight to b3, c5. Yes, he might have a little bit more center, but I'm chilling right now. Bishop e3, I'm playing with the pieces. Queen to c7, queen c1. And this move, oh, it just invites me to attack him. a4, takes, and a5, and now I've got better attack, because I've already opened the file, which is the most important thing. So e5, c4, I don't know why he didn't play pawn to d4, bishop d2, then bishop e4, just to get rid of this bishop, my bishop. But anyway, takes, knight to d2, coming back. And you ask me why? Just to play b2, just to defend. cd, bishop g5. And now, as you can see, I don't have a defender of my king. And here are some files open to attack me, but this knight is a huge problem for him, because it's just blocking the rook, it's blocking the bishop, and all the pieces don't play very well together. And I don't know, for some reason he plays b5. As I say, you shouldn't really push the pawns in front of your king, or you shouldn't even try to push your pawns. Try to play with pieces, because they are more valuable. Pawn to b4, and I just want to open up. c4. I'm trading and playing queen to c3 to block the pawn, to play queen to f3 maybe, and rook a5, rook a1. Oh, why didn't I say that I can't push my pawns? Yeah, but now it's for a reason, because he checked me. f5, and whoa, you've got a pawn. Not really. If I got this pawn, there's bishop d6, queen to c3, and he gained some activity. Like, I don't wanna do that. I just spoiled the game, but don't worry. I played rook to a5 to attack this pawn and double up the rooks, because again, piece activity is the most important thing in my opinion. And I take here. And this is because now we are threatening rook to b5, and he needs to take some action to defend it. Queen c5, threat of this on this rook, and rook b5 still, but now he's attacking me, and I cannot play queen to b5. I cannot play rook to b5. I need to play queen to b5, and for some reason he makes a huge mistake. He should have just traded the rooks, and he would be winning this game. But for some reason, maybe he wanted to play with me. He played rook to d7, which allowed me to play queen to a4. Now just running away from this rook, and rook to a1, and now this doesn't look good. What would you do in this situation? You cannot play king to c7 because rook a7. You cannot move the queen because rook a8. You cannot do anything. You're gonna lose a queen. So rook to d2, he's just playing random moves now. Rook to a8, king to c7, rook a7, and we've won a queen. So this looks very good now. I'm just checking because I want him to make some mistakes. Queen to b5, queen e8, attacking, then trading, and in this situation I just win a queen. Yeah, I'm just almost a queen up, another queen, and checkmate. So that's it. That's how you beat a grandmaster. If you wanna know some details and how to get better, contact me. I've got my email in description. And goodbye. Subscribe.